My name is Petra Malá Miller, and I'm an artist and photographer. And I was invited by Alberta Foundation for the Arts, the traveling exhibition program, to teach or we have a workshop at your school. It's very great opportunity for me to do that, to meet students and see how they react to the art and how they see or their way of seeing. We talk about portraiture because my work is about photography, portraits, or I'm showing, your school is showing 20 of my portraits, my project that it's called Portraits in Light. And so we were talking about how to do portraits. So they kind of difference between the selfie that everybody is doing now in these days and posting images on Instagram, and like everyone has a camera, they take pictures all the time on their cell phones, and so the difference between that and then like doing a professional photography. So I was talking about that, about posing, how to pose a portraiture, how to use available light or studio lights, what to look for it, like their posture, how if they smile or their it's neutral expression, like their expression, how they want to compose. Like it's not just a quick selfie. Now they have to think about it. Yeah, the cell phone. Yeah, that it's lots of it is given. So you have a tool, and they provide a certain outcome. So you take a picture, and it will be relatively well exposed. And you can, if not, then you can apply a filter, and the picture still looks good. But with if you have a professional camera, then you can control much more. You can you learn how to shoot on manual, how to work with aperture, shutter speed, ISO, all those camera controls, depth of field. Like there is lots more to photography than just to take a shot. And one other part of this me being here is to make a book. So they print their picture, that will be a cover, and we will book it. Bind it using Japanese technique, bookbinding technique for whole binding. So they will also learn some basic skills, like how to measure. They all know, but in today lots of I think. Kids, they don't have to anymore, so I think it's good also to practice measuring, making lines, and kind of working with paper, kind of with using their hands to work with the material and connect that with the image that they created.